Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Motorspike. So Honda has finally launched its 2020 Honda Grazia 125 BS6 model in the Indian market. So let us see what all new update this scooter comes with, what's its specification, feature, price, everything will be discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end to get all the info about this new Grazia BS6 model. So without any further ado, let's get started. Talking about the design, Honda has completely redesigned the new Grazia 125. The new design is now more of a bold, stunning and have a sharp edges and lines. At the front end, you get a full LED headlight. Along with it, you get a split LED DRL on the handlebar, which resembles its younger sibling Honda Dio. Overall, the front end look absolutely stunning, and coming to the rear, there is a fully redesigned tail lamp along with the conventional indicator. There is a split pillion grab rail for the pillion for better hold. Now let's take a look on the instrument console. It's a split digital type speedometer. At the top, it shows the speed of the scooter and tachometer, whereas at the bottom it shows the fuel gauge, average fuel economy, range, real-time average and a clock. The next update company has given is the idling stop system. What it does is that it automatically switches off the engine at brief stop, which makes the ride more economical, but this feature is only available in deluxe variant, whereas the standard variant gets a engine kill switch. Another feature of this scooter is the side stand with engine cutoff system. Basically what it does is that it cuts off the engine when side stand is activated. It's a very good safety feature and must be implemented in every two-wheeler. Next feature of this scooter is the silent start system with ACG generator, which leads to lesser sound and lesser engine maintenance. In addition to this, there is also an external fuel lid for more convenience, and further a multi-function key slot to open the underseat storage as well as to open the external fuel lid. Coming to the engine, it's a 124cc fan-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder fuel-injected engine which puts out a max power of 8.14 bhp at 6000 rpm and max net torque of 10.3 Nm at 5000 rpm. It is the same engine which is used in Activa 125 BS6 variant. The ground clearance has been increased by 16 mm as compared to the earlier version, which results in the total of 171 mm of ground clearance in the new Grazia. At the front end, you get a telescopic suspension, and at the rear, you get a spring-loaded hydraulic suspension. Seat height is 766 mm and the wheelbase still remains the same, that is 1260 mm. And lastly, talking about the price, the standard variant of Grazia 125 BS6 model cost you around Rs 75,155 ex-showroom Mumbai, whereas the deluxe variant cost you around Rs 82,221 ex-showroom Mumbai. So guys, that's all for this video. If you have any queries about this scooter, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.